Hey, Smalls and Hey everyone, Smalls and Wonder Bread here. We're about to do the High Falls Hey, Smalls and Wonder Bread here. We're about to do the High Falls Park Trail.
All right guys, let's go check out this waterfall. All right guys, we are here at the Pines Recreation Area just outside of Franklin, North Carolina and Glenville, North Carolina. We are going to hike down to High Falls. We have never been here before, so we're very interested to see what we find. All right guys, let's hit the trail. All right guys, this is a 1.3 mile trail in and out. So far it's been all downhill. We just did some stairs, and as you can see right here, we're gonna be going down quite a bit here. It is rated moderate, but as far as the reviews on all trails, people say it's pretty difficult for the length. So all right guys, let's get hiking. Hey guys, I guess this explains why people rated this as difficult. Hopefully injury or death does not happen today. All right guys, let's keep hiking. Oh man guys, this is pretty through here. Got this rock face. And more stairs to go down. Alright guys, here we are at the base of this fall. This is beautiful. Well guys, here we are. Check this out. Oh man. We are done here at the waterfall. This is absolutely gorgeous. There's 2 levels of waterfall here. Once you hop up the trail, get to the top of that other fall, you'll see another waterfall that we almost missed on our way down the hill. We'll get that one on the way back up. All right, guys, let's head back to the car. Okay, guys, so this is going to be the trail for the entire way up. You would think after last week doing Albert Mountain, we would be sick of rocks, but I guess we just enjoy the punishment.
Guys, what a hike. That was tough coming out.
All right, guys, we did about 2,000 feet climb on the way out. Obviously 2,000 feet on the way down. Definitely a beautiful waterfall. Definitely come check it out.
Well worth it.
All right, guys, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. For now, S&T, peace out.
Peace out.